Now we are going to connect your club with sponsors. Whenever a fan sends money to your club, it will automatically connect your club with the sponsor. However, you don't need to wait for that. You can connect through the MyFavorito Dashboard right now. Click Sponsors in the navigation toolbar. This section will help you keep track of all sponsors that are connected to your club. Click on the Search tab at the top of the page. This will bring you to a map and a list of all sponsors in the MyFavorito system. You can browse sponsors in your local area or search for a specific sponsor. Once you find the sponsor you want to connect with, click on them. You can review the sponsor's information and click Create Partnership. A message will appear asking you to confirm that you would like to create a partnership with this sponsor. Click Confirm, and now this sponsor has been added to your community. Sponsors can also reach out and ask for a connection with your club. This will appear in the Request tab, where you can accept or decline. Promotions from sponsors connected to your club will appear in your MyFavorito community in the mobile and web app. Members of your community will also be able to see your club's list of sponsors as well as the sponsor map and know that they can spend money with these sponsors and send it back to your club.